Ever wondered how to make your WordPress site pop with color? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change text colors in WordPress. Whether you want to tweak a single word or transform your whole website's vibe. By the end, you'll have the confidence to customize your site's look and help your content truly stand out. Let's dive right in. The first method is perfect when you want to adjust just a specific piece of text. Maybe you want a certain heading to catch the reader's eye. Or you'd like an important sentence to stand out in a paragraph. In WordPress's Block Editor, start by clicking on the block you want to change, whether it's a paragraph or heading. As soon as you select the block, take a look at the settings sidebar on the right side of your editor. You'll see an area labeled Color. Go ahead and expand that section. Now under Text, you'll see a beautiful palette of colors. Plus a custom color picker if you want something more specific, great for matching your brand or just adding your favorite shade. When you select a color here, it instantly updates your chosen block, so you'll see your text change right away. This intuitive feature gives you complete control over what grabs attention on your page. But maybe you don't want to change the whole block, just a word or two, like a product name, an alert, or a dramatic phrase. For that, you don't need to mess with the settings sidebar. Simply highlight the specific words you want to update. Once you've got your selection, look at the floating toolbar that appears right above your text. Click the downward arrow, sometimes labeled More, then select Highlight. This brings up your color choices for just the selected text. As soon as you pick a color, only those words change color, letting you emphasize the exact bits that matter most. It's a bit like using a highlighter pen in your favorite book, drawing attention where you need it, but leaving the rest untouched. Don't worry if it takes a moment to get your selection just right, especially on longer paragraphs. You can always undo and try again. Now let's talk about changing colors everywhere. Maybe you're rebranding or want a more cohesive look across all your pages. For this, WordPress has a fantastic tool in its site editor, especially if you're using a block theme. To access, head over to Appearance and select Editor from your dashboard. When you're in the site editor, look up to the top right for the Styles icon. It's a neat little half-filled circle. Clicking that opens up the Styles panel. Under Colors, find the section named Elements and click on Text. With just a few clicks, choose your preferred color. Here's the cool part, it instantly updates the default text color for every page on your website. It's kind of like setting the mood lighting for an entire room instead of just one corner. This trick saves you tons of time and ensures consistency across your site. Whether you're launching a new product line, updating your portfolio, or just freshening up your blog. And there you have it. Whether you're jazzing up a single word or transforming your whole site's palette, WordPress makes color customization easy and flexible. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Drop any questions you have in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.